In this video, I will show you how to fix payment issue on Uber Eats. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet or data connection. So just head over to your browser and then go to fast.com in order to see how fast your internet is, if it's actually limiting your purchase on Uber. So if it's decent, you can head over and then just purchase as usual. Next thing is to just search if Uber is down. So let's put in your Uber down. And then from in there, we have in here the down detector. Just click on that first thing. And then from in there, you can scroll down and you can see in here some down outages of the specific application. If Uber is down, you won't be able to pay. But however, it's not down. So it must be an error on your internet. So that's how you fix payment issue on Uber Eats. I hope this video helped you out.